In this tutorial, we are going to learn on how to configure box item for inventory on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Before we start to deep dive into the steps, let us first understand the definition of a box item. A box item in inventory typically refers to a product that is stored or shipped in a box, which could contain multiple units of the same product in the same box. A boxed item does not have to be checked out from the inventory as an entire box. Individual units can be checked out separately. By registering boxed items in RenalGenie, users can check out products in the exact quantity they need and easily track their stock movement. Now, let's see the steps to configure box item on RenalGenie. Log into the system with the roles of a system tenant or purchasing supervisor. Go to the Administration tab and then click on the Branch Management card. Select the branch name. Go and select Item Type from the side menu bar and user will be able to see Item Type list. Let us try adding a new item type and configure it as box item. Click on the plus icon and system will redirect user to the Add Item Type page. On this page, proceed to add the details of the new item type. Category. Select item type. Unit of measure. Minimum and maximum quantity. And then select boxed item. Upon selecting boxed item, user must indicate the quantity in one box, UOM in a box, and the preferred checkout quantity. Proceed to fill in the other information required and click Save to save the new item type. Upon a successful operation, system prompt a message that the item type has been added. User will notice that the newly added item type is marked as box item accordingly. With this configuration in place, users are able to select the precise UOM during checkout process, whether checking out as a box or individual unit. Thank you for watching. Here is some video suggestion for you to watch next.